Hi everyone, welcome back to the Steps to Success Occupational Therapy's YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about making your own sensory kit at home. So in order to understand what a sensory kit is, let's talk about what sensory play is in the first place. Sensory play consists of activities that focus on engaging your child's 5 senses. It encourages experimentation and addresses their proprioceptive and vestibular systems. It helps to develop and improve their fine motor skills, gross motor skills, their cognitive skills, their overall play skills, and provides them with a calming effect by giving them the sensory input that they're seeking in the first place. So the sensory kit that you'll be making will focus on addressing the sensory needs of your specific child. It is ideal for travel and bringing with your child when they travel or even if they're just at home. Or you can even make a sensory box. These can be greatly beneficial for your child. So, as previously mentioned, it is important that your sensory kit is based on your child's specific needs. If you know your child prefers items that provide auditory stimulation, which is sound-based, or tactile stimulation, which is more touch-based, or even visual stimulation, here are a few items that you can include in the kit that you make at home. So here in this picture, I've included a few examples. You can include any musical type instruments or any toys that provide any sort of auditory stimulation for your child. So the first item shown here is an item that you can make at home. So you can use any type of container that you may have and fill it with beads or crystals or anything of that sort. And you can close the container with tape and your child can shake it and it provides them with the auditory stimulation that they might enjoy. So the second and third items shown here are both instruments or instrument toys, and these can be purchased on Amazon or any toy store available around you. So some other items you can include in your kit for auditory preferences are baby rattles or even any toy that plays music as well. These can be great for calming your child. These are some items that are great for sensory boxes or sensory kits that will contain items if your child has more tactile preferences. So tactile means touch. So your child might enjoy touching or playing with items based on how they feel for them. So in this picture, I've included different things like bead necklaces, different types of stretchy toys that may feel like jelly or squishy in their hands. Fidget spinners are great, as well as balls with different types of textures on them. So if your child has more visual preferences, these are a few great items that you can include in your sensory kit. So first, I've included a picture of a book. So books are great items, and it's easy to find them. They're available in stores and Amazon as well. And there's so many different types of books that you can include in your sensory kit. You can include books that your child is familiar with or they love reading at home. You can include books that contain characters or stories that your child loves and are familiar with. And you can even include books that may be very colorful in nature. So below the book, I've included a picture of some finger puppets. So kids love these items and they usually come in characters that a child might see on TV or have seen on different TV shows. So these are great items that they might like to put in their kit. And then right next to that, the yellow item is a picture of a Slinky. So kids these days love Slinkies and they're a really great toy that you come in different sizes and you can carry around with you anywhere. And then at the very end on the right side, it is a container that's filled with glitter and food coloring, which is a great item that you can make right at home, similar to the auditory item. So this container is filled with oil, glitter, and water, and kids love this item because when you shake it, it looks very interesting and colorful to them. So you can mix a bunch of these items and make a sensory kit that's easily used for travel, or you can even mix a bunch of these items to make a big sensory box for home with items that help with multiple types of stimuli based on your child's interests and needs. Try this at home and see how it goes.